Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and this time of year, I love to take the time to remember what I'm thankful for. First and foremost, I'm thankful for you, our loyal customers, that give me a place like this to come to work every day. I'm grateful for my dad for having the crazy vision to start this company, and every single one of our employees that helps to make you all happy. Have fun in your garage is a mantra that has been with Griot's Garage since day one. And when my dad started the business, he was kind of like this Mini Cooper race car. He could compel himself forward, make a lot of people happy, but his speed was pretty limited. At the same time, we have continued to grow the business. This has been a banner year for Griot's Garage, and we've earned the right to invest in the business. We invested in 2 new bottling lines that would increase our manufacturing capacity by 40%. That installation process has not been smooth, even as we've continued to send bottles out. But when we miss a shipment, and our service standard is as high as it is, we are not exporting fun into your garage. So I want to apologize for any inconvenience that you've experienced while ordering with Griot's Garage. Just know this is a short-term blip as we optimize the race car with those new Go Fast parts. And I promise you, our service standard is still the same, and we are going to continue to excel at manufacturing right here in the US. We have aspirations to be like Ayrton Senna's MP4s of the late 80s and early 90s, and continue to strive for perfection in everything we do. But this year, we've had some bumps in the road, but trust me, we will get back on track, and we really appreciate your patience, and of course, are grateful for your business. Have a happy holiday from everyone here at Griot's Garage.